All right, everyone, it's your girl JennyCEO. So this period now, this video, I'll be showing you. Now I like dropping contacts. When I'm dropping contacts, I don't drop contacts I've not used, I've not bought from before. I drop legit suppliers so that you don't fall victim. So it's my duty to go and buy from them, bring it in, then drop the contact for my YouTube community. So if it sounds interesting, hit the like button, do well to subscribe. Welcome to JennyCEO's channel. Here in this channel, I'll talk about how to make money online, importation, Facebook ads, business growth, anything business growth, how to make money online. So don't forget to watch till the end, because I'll be unboxing my stock bag, my stock mist bag from China, and you'll be seeing the unboxing video. I'll be unboxing it, then I'll also share the contact right here on the screen. The beautiful thing about this person, she is good, as I'll be sharing her contact here, so you can chat her up. Hello, when you're chatting, please be professional and chat when you're ready. Always view their moments, view their status. There they also post items on ground, items available, and items price, so you can see the price list. You can ask them for their catalog, or post the prices for you. Then ask them, feel free to ask them questions. This person, the contacts I'm about to share, they understand English, they speak, they can write in English, so feel free, you're free to chat, they will reply. All right, but please, when you're chatting, make sure you're ready to buy. So I'll be using my screen. I'll be showing you the unboxing video right now and be dropping the contacts right here on the screen. So how do you pay them? Actually, they pay using yuan, that is China currency. So before you pay them, you need to have an exchanger. You need to change to their currency. If you don't also have an exchanger, a legit exchanger, you can also do well to hit write on the comment section that you need an exchanger, so I can do a video, make a video on that and drop exchanger rates. But if you're an importer, I know you already have an exchanger. All right, so again, if you don't also have WeChat accounts, you can also download WeChat accounts. Most of them are on WeChat, some are also on WhatsApp. All right, so that's all. Yes, another thing again is shipping company. All right, shipping company, you can also use any shipping company, but I would advise you to use C shipping, because now bags can be heavy, so you need to use C shipping so you don't run at loss. So use C shipping, don't use A for bags. Yes, use C shipping, ship it in you, so that when you're paying, like my last group, yes, we paid 500 for shipping fee. Can imagine, because we used C. And again, if you're looking for a legit pre-order group where you want to join, you want to join beautiful people, start buying from, maybe you don't want to import yourself, but you just want to join us and meet up MOQ and buy at affordable price and sell, then you are in the right place. Go to the description button, click on the link and join my WhatsApp pre-order group, because our posting will be starting soon. So I'll be dropping the link, the contact on my screen, and how this bags looks like. More quality shock, quality of this mixed bags shock. So do well to hit the notification bell, subscribe, like this video, share this video, because my next video I'll also be sharing contact of mixed slippers. Slippers I've bought from this factory more than 5-6 times, and their slippers, the mixed quality lady slippers, shook, as in quality shook. All right, let me just show you how it looks like. So yeah, wow, sealing my goods that was open. This logistic company is the best, so you'll be getting to know them in this video, so do well to watch to the end. They are so unique, as in they will make sure your goods are intact without any scratch. Even the one that is not, they will help you seal it, they will help you package it well, and they are affordable. They are just like their name. I've been using them for more than 1 year now, and I can say they are good. I can say they are good. Now can you see it? Goodness and mercy. Oh God, They are so unique. They are good at what they do. So if you are into logistics, you're into business and you're looking for logistics company, a transport company to use, then use Goodness and Mercy Transport. Use them and you will come and thank me later. They will make sure your goods are intact. They will make sure they even bring it to your house safe and secured. And they will also make sure if there's any broken thing or anyone that is not sealed, see the way they sealed mine, they will seal it and make sure everything is in place. They are so good and their prices are affordable. I love them so much because, since I've been using them, I've not gotten any breakage of goods. So if you want their contact, look at it here. Goodness and Mercy Transit. Look at their cargo manager is in Naya, as in the guy is good. So everything is intact. They have their branch in Port Harcourt, have their branch at Onitsha. Now you can contact them with this number. They are good, yes. That's why now I like bringing good things to my channel. All right, so go ahead and call them and enjoy your logistics with them. They are so good. All right, let's quickly go into our unboxing to see our stock bag, quality stock bag I got from China, and I'll be dropping the link, the supplier's contact. All right, this was the mixed stock bag I ordered for, and we're going to be seeing how it looks like. So I'll be dropping the contacts. Actually, the supplier also on WeChat. All right, so you can buy from her. She's 100% legit, no scam zone. Now look at the unboxing video, and the bags came out nice. It's more beautiful than what I'm seeing on the video. The stock bag shook, very quality. It's super amazing. And yes, she's on WeChat, and also she understands English, so there's nothing like communication barrier. Yes, but the only thing is they have MOQ. When they say MOQ, it means minimum order quantity, so that's why we are getting it at affordable price. So they will tell you the MOQ, the number you must get for them to sell. They don't sell one. All right, so but if it's about legit, see that I've bought, and this is my unboxing video. So my group bought 100 pieces of the stock bag, and it's super amazing. The quality shook, and it's so affordable. See now, I don't know if my video is making justice to this. So fine. I know how much this bag is in the market price of this bag. So this is her contact. She's on WeChat, so you can be viewing her moments. Her moments is where you'll be seeing what she has. And again, one thing about her is that she don't only sell bag. You can also get part wears. You heard me right. So this contact is super amazing. So that is how WeChat contact. So but someone might say, I don't have WeChat, how do I do it? Then calm down. I will be dropping another of my legit suppliers contact. She's on WhatsApp, and the beautiful thing about this one, she has a WhatsApp group. You heard me right. WhatsApp group where she posts latest designs and all that. Then you can just chat her up and place your order. So I'll be dropping her contact very soon. So if you've not liked this video, do well to hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because more contacts coming. Yes, in my next video, by God's grace, I'll be dropping contacts for smart TV and all that. So you can't afford not to hit the like button, and write on the comment section what another contact you want me to make inquiries and to drop, because I have many and I've bought from them. Look at this bag, shook. This bag has 2 handles, so even if you don't want to wear the other one, use the other one, use the other. Now look at my mixed bag. So amazing. All right. see us now. So again, I also run a pre-order group where we'll come collectively and import things at affordable prices. As you can see, these are my group orders. Yes, my pre-order group, we bought 100 pieces. That first bag was 50 pieces. This other bag now we're opening is another 50 pieces of stock bag. So my group members are amazing. You can join us. It's 100% free to join. Just go straight to the description button, description section. You'll see my group link, JennyCEO pre-order bug group. Yes, that is where we get factory price. If you're not in that group, then you're missing a lot. Yes, I also run a Vietnam group which you can also join. So this is the WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp contact of my other supplier. She also sells mixed stock bag. This one can sell from 10. And the beautiful thing, this is her WhatsApp group, a WhatsApp group where she posts collective, new arrivals and all that. So this bag shook. Oh wow, this bag is giving. So she posts, new contact, new arrivals. You can chat her or feel free. She understands English, and you can, make your arrangements and pay on WhatsApp. She is very active on WhatsApp. That is her WhatsApp number on the screen. Her name is Victoria. So our WhatsApp group name is Victoria Bag Collection. Yes, so do well to hit the like button and drop on the comment section what you feel and what other video you would love me to drop on this YouTube channel. I'm here for you all. Yes, quality stock bag, affordable. If I tell you the price, you'll be amazed. And another thing I want to say, please, if you are shipping out, make sure you use C shipping, all right, so that the price for your shipping fee will be affordable, so you don't make loss, all right, so that you can make profit. Don't use air for your bags, all right. Yes. Oh, this bag is giving. Yes. I'm so happy. When I opened it, I was so happy. I know now. Yes, this is beautiful. So here we talk about importation, everything, business growth. So do well to go through other videos. You will find other videos amazing. All right, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because more contacts will be coming up. More contacts will be coming up, more beautiful videos will be coming up. All right, and please do well to share so that you can help others that have been looking for how to get contacts. Well, these contacts are so expensive, and some will even sell to you and they will still give you scammers. But this one, I'm giving you what contacts I've bought from, and I've received. So do well to share, like, and comment. See you in my next video. Bye, and have a lovely day. Thank you, JennyCEO Care. The bags are amazing. I love the bags so much. Yeah, you can see that. Wow.